I never imagined in a million years me showing my easy way of making sourdough. So many people would be interested and enjoy watching me and have such nice things to say to me. I get so many daily thank yous for my easy sourdough tutorials. But you know, something I've never done is actually taken the time to thank you. I've seen so many stories where comments are always so negative and terrible, and I can honestly say I haven't had many negative comments. You guys are all truly so nice to me, and I'm so grateful for that. The sourdough community is literally amazing. If something doesn't work, people just move on and try something new, which is exactly the way it should be. I can't tell you how many recipes I've tried and failed and tried again. And that's why we just keep trying. Watch other people's ways, take advice from other people. I'm always open for advice. If someone can help me do it easier or better, please share those comments with me. My motto is definitely no fancy rules, no fancy tools, no fancy ingredients, because I'm just not a tedious person. I don't use a scale, but you know what? I admire people that do. I think their loaves are beautiful, and it's really a fun process to watch. I just don't do it. But I also know from my comments and from the people I've met from TikTok, there's a lot of people like me that just want to do sourdough for fun, bake it for their families. It's therapeutic, so it gives us something to do and keep us on routine. And sourdough doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, you can do it 100 different ways. It's still gonna work if you have a good active starter. I've had so many people that did my sourdough starter tutorial. They have active starters. And I hope that they look up everybody. Watch anybody on the internet doing sourdough and see what works best for you. See how you get your best loaves and the process you enjoy and like. Because we're all different. Or if you just want to keep it easy, then keep doing it my way, because that's probably never going to change. But in all reality, I just really wanted to say thank you for following along, for being kind, and just for being so encouraging. I tell my husband every night, man, I've never been complimented so much in my life. So I really enjoy it. I enjoy reading everyone's comments. I try my hardest to respond to everybody. And please reach out if you have any questions or need help with anything, and I will do my best to help you. I do work a full-time job, and I've been busy, so if I don't get back right away, I try to as soon as I can. But thank you to everybody, and we're gonna put this little guy to bed.